Gustav Tangren, A Journey Through Fantasy and Art. Gustav Adolf Tangren, born on 3rd November 1896 in Sweden, is a name that resonates deeply within the realms of American illustration and animation. His artistic journey, marked by his unique style and imaginative storytelling, has left an indelible mark on children's literature and animated films. Gustav Tangren grew up in a family with a strong artistic lineage. His grandfathers, a master painter, significantly influenced his early artistic endeavors after the early death of his father. Tangren's family faced financial hardship, which led him to take up in an apprenticeship in lithography at the age of 13. His early exposure to the world of printmaking and illustration ignited his passion for art. In 1910, Tangren's talent earned him a scholarship to the Wieland Academy of Arts in Gothenburg, where he honed his skill in drawing and paintings. His education was deeply rooted in the traditional Scandinavian art style, which employs detail and naturalist depiction of landscapes and folklore. Tangler's professional career began in Sweden, where he illustrated various books and magazines. However, it was his move to United States in 1920 that marked the beginning of his significant contribution to the world of illustration. Settling in Cleveland, Ohio, he quickly became involved in the burgeoning field of children's book illustration. His work on the popular series The Garnet King showcased his ability to blend European artistic tradition with American sensibilities. During the 1920s and 1930s, Tanger's became a prominent figure in what is often referred to as the golden age of American illustration. His illustration for classical fairy tales like Snow White, Cinderella, and Hansel and Gretel were characterized by their vibrant colors, intricate details, and a whimsical yet air quality that captivated both children and adults. Tangren's unique style, which combined influence from Scandinavian folklore and art nuance, set him apart from his contemporaries. His ability to evoke emotion and atmosphere through his illustration made him a sought after artist for various publishing houses, including Little Golden Book. His work on the Pocky Little Puppy, on the one of the best selling children's books of all time, is a testament to his enduring appeal. In 1936, Tangren's career took a significant turn when he was hired by Walt Disney Studio. He work on Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, 1937, played a circle role in shaping the film's iconic visual style. Tanger's concept art and background designs helped create the enchanting and timeless world of Disney's first full length animated features. Tangdons continue to work with Disney on other projects, including